Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by washing and drying 1 kg mixed vegetables: carrot, cauliflower, cucumber, and green beans, cut into 3 5-inch or smaller pieces so they absorb spice. Toss vegetables with 2 tablespoons salt and 1 tsp turmeric. Massage for 5 minutes to draw moisture, then drain. Measure 1/2 cup mustard oil, 3 tablespoon vinegar, and 2 tablespoon sugar. Combine with 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. For the brine mix, dry roast 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds in a skillet until fragrant, about 2 minutes, then roughly crush. Heat the measured 1/2 cup mustard oil until it reaches smoking point, then turn off heat and cool 5 minutes. Pour hot oil carefully over the crushed spices to release aroma. Sterilize a 1-liter glass jar by boiling or baking. Keep it warm, and ensure lids are clean before arranging vegetables to avoid contamination and to improve shelf life. Pack vegetables tightly into the warm jar, leaving 1 cm headspace. Pour the brine to fully submerge contents so air pockets are minimized and fermentation stays controlled. Seal the jar and let the pickle mature for 7 to 14 days at room temperature, shaking or turning the jar once daily to redistribute spices and oil. Taste after 1 week and allow longer for deeper flavor. After opening, refrigerate and use within 3 months. Unopened, properly prepared pickle can last up to 6 months away from direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.